Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it feels like I haven't filmed in forever, which I haven't because I think my last video was on the 28th maybe. I think it was the 28th, but it's been a long time. And you guys, so much. It's just the holidays was crazy. The fact that I was filming my Jingle Little series was crazy. And then I caught the flu for a little under a week. It's just been a lot going on. But I'm trying to get everything back and trying to get back into filming and posting on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been posting. I kind of finished up a little bit of my Christmas stuff, which I'm almost done already. I think I have like one project to create and then just continue shipping, which is what I've been doing. But yeah, you guys, I already got some Valentine's Day mail. Can you believe this? We're like mid-January and I got some V-Day mail today from my friend Kate, and she always sends her happy mail super early because I got my Christmas mail from her very early as well. But you guys, look, she sent like 14 days of goodies, which is awesome and amazing, and I wanted to do this same concept for a bunch of my pals because I think it's so cute to send like 14 little goodies to your pen pals. So what I wanted to do was open it up and just kind of show you guys what she sent me and also get back in the swing of things on my channel. I'm also going to do, I think I might post also, because I never did it, was the final flip through of my December daily. That has to go up. And then I want to also show you guys some Valentine's Day projects that I've created just to share with you guys. So there might be 2 more videos coming within this week. And then I am going to be having a Valentine's Day series where I am going to create 14 projects with you guys. So the series is going to be 14 tutorials, whether that be rosettes or tags or bookmarks, just a bunch of different things. There might be like a haul because I'm thinking about starting off the series like I started off the Christmas one where I showed you guys my Valentine's Day stash. Let me know down below if you guys want to see the stash before I start the series, and I'll do that, which is showing you guys what I have to start with to create for Valentine's Day. And then from there we'll go on to creating stuff for Valentine's Day and show you guys if I buy anything else. Of course, there'll be hauls as well. But yeah, you guys, let's get into this package because it's so cute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and take all the numbers out so that we can go number by number. So cute. I loved how she packaged everything. Okay, so we got all the little gifties. We got some crinkle paper, which of course I will use. You guys know I always use my crinkle paper. So we have 1, 2, let's see, we have 3, 4, 5, and then this one is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, 13, and then 14. So what we're going to do is we're going to spread the gifts out this way and we're going to start opening. So this is gift number 1. And let's see what we got. Oh, it's a little notepad. Oh, I love the color. It's a sticky notepad. Let me see. Here we go with the focus, you guys. So that you guys can see really good everything as I open it. It's a mint green sticky notebook. I love these. I love sticky notes. I love notebooks in general. And then we have number 2. And number 2 is, ooh, these are some cute clips. Look, you guys. How cute is this little porcupine? And then we got some little hearts. I think they look like chocolates. How cute are those? I feel like the focus is not correctly on. And that's gonna bug me. Hold on one second, you guys. It's not picking it up. Because I feel like it's focused on the gifts on the bottom. But those are the clips. We'll see how it goes from here. And then here's number 3. And let's see. Feels like Christmas, you guys. Oh, a cute little notebook. Pink and gold. Let's see, it goes this way. Isn't that cute? I don't have anything like this size. That's definitely different. I don't have anything at all this size. This is so cute. I love that. Now we go to number 4. This cute little gift bag. What do we have in here? Ooh, I think these are like the little snap sets. Let's see. Like journaling cards. Yep, I think it's like the little snap sets. Let me see if my... Yeah, it's like this. These are the little snap sets. I love these. You can use these on like pocket letters, and I don't have this collection. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is from Simple Stories. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty. Reminds me of the Simple Stories Carpe Diem. I have that collection. And it comes with a bunch of cards like this too. And then these are the little square ones. Oh, look at this one, you guys. How cute is that? That is super cute. I'm a survivor. I am a limited edition. I love this one. So cute. Oh, I love these. I will definitely find use for those. And we have number 5. And in number 5, we have a bunch of stickers. Look, you guys. She sent a bunch of stickers. Oh, look at these. How cute. I love those little page flags. I think these are planner stickers, but you guys, I use my planner stickers on my pocket letters. Does anybody else do that? I use it on my pocket letters. I use it on my projects. There's no rules. You use your stuff how you please, right? I use all my planner stickers because I did used to plan, but I don't do it so much anymore. So what am I going to do with my stickers? So I use them on my projects. And then number 6 is this cute little, there's confetti in here. Well, not confetti, sequins, a little eraser, and a little washi. I don't want to open it up. And a cute little pencil. You guys see that? Super cute. This is number, yeah, I'm on number 7, right? Yes, okay, let's see. I love how she packages it. Look how cute that is. Okay. It still sound a little stuffy. I want it to be completely gone, you guys. Oh, I think these are pencils. Oh, yes. Oh, how cute. What is this? A little sprinkle of awesome. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I've never had one of these. I can't wait to try this. It says you're supposed to pull the, and I guess it inflates. Oh, this is cute. I like this. I've never seen this. And then I got a pack of pencils. Look at these colors, you guys. Aren't these colors so beautiful? Oh my god, I love these. And they have like the days of the week. Take note. Oh my god, I can't get over the color. Those colors are beautiful. Then we have number 8. Let's see what number 8 is. Let me take the little bow off. Oh, how cute. It's a cupcake keychain. Look, you guys, how cute. This is going on my keys right after this video. So cute. I love this. Ooh, all these gifts are so fun. Look at this one, you guys. It has a little pic that says love. Isn't that cute? See what we got here. Oh, I see a pen and some sticky notes. We got a cute little floral pen. Cute. And look at the little sticky notes. It kind of matches. Like it goes together. Super cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, did I? Oh, no, I didn't skip 5. I didn't. Right. That's, I think we're on to 10. That was number 9. This is what number 10 looks like. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got some cute little flake stickers. Oh, I don't have any of these. This is different. I like these. And they look like vintage, which is like right up my alley. I love anything that looks like tickets and stuff. This is super cool. I love those. Super cool. This is what number 11 looks like. I keep forgetting to show you guys. Sorry if this video is like all over the place, but it's my first day back and I'm trying to get my life together. Ooh. Chevron washi tape. She's just hooking it up with stuff I don't have. Look at that, you guys. It's by We Are Memory Keepers, and it's chevron washi tape. I love the color. It's like a mauve pink. Look at that. Super cool. I don't have this. Isn't it exciting when you get stuff that you don't have and you're like super excited? I get excited for anything, but I'm saying it's even more exciting. Here's number, was that number 11? I think it was, right? No. Did I skip a number? I feel like I skipped a number. Or did I just open it? No, I think that was number 11. It was. And here's number 12. Ooh. Chipboard letters. Look, you guys. How cute are these? I don't have these either. These are cute. By Casey and Company. Okay and Company. Wow. Thank you so much, Kate. You sent me so many goodies that I don't own. Oh, here's number 13. Oh, what's this? Oh, how cute. Amy Tangerine accent and phrases. Well, look at this. I love the girl, like the shadow. I love that. Wow, look at all these different ones that you get. It's a sticker book. And I don't have this either. She managed to give me a bunch of stuff that I don't have. How did you do it, girl? And then lastly is this one, which is number 14. And we're going to see what we have in here. And I've been talking so much, we're already at 15 minutes. Oh, what's this? Oh, how cute. Look at this little canvas bag. Oh, what are these? Looking Glass. Oh, I guess these are by her. How cute. Look at these, you guys. You guys see that? How fun are those? And they're made by her. Super cool. And I think they're magnets. I'm going to be putting those on my fridge if they are magnets. Oh, this is so cool. You guys, look at all the goodies I got. Let me fix the focus. Isn't this amazing, you guys? I'm telling you, I have the best pen pals in the world. I can't even believe how blessed I am with them. Thank you so much, Kate, if you watch my videos. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for following, commenting. It's freaking amazing. I'm almost at like 1,500 subscribers on this channel. You guys are always leaving me the sweetest comments and constantly even subscribing. And thank you to all my new followers. Even though I haven't posted, I appreciate all of you so much. I'm going to be having a giveaway during the Valentine's Day series. But yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.